Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Ruby, if you don't know who I am, and today I'm going to be showing you my top picks from Princess Polly this month. So many cute pieces. We've got some summer pieces, some date night pieces, lots of festival outfits, which is great because Australia is heading into summer and festival season. So much to show you guys. I'm so excited. So I'm going to stop yapping now. Please keep in mind, if you guys do like anything from this haul or on the whole Princess Polly website, I do have a discount code for you guys. My discount code for this month is Ruby20 to save 20% off, obviously. As always, Princess Polly do offer express shipping on all Australian orders over $60. Enough from me, let's get right into the haul. This is a festival fit if I've ever seen one. Look, would I wear all these things together? Probably not, but also it kind of works. Kind of random. This is the Callahan top. First of all, it's like a Callahan lace top. I love it. Sometimes lace tops kind of piss me off because sometimes they're really tight, and this is like so stretchy, which is what I love about it. It's a good length. It's not too short, it's not too long, it's just perfect. Like, I really love it. I'll definitely be getting some wear out of this one in a festival or out of one. But yeah, this top is stunning. She snatches you up, but she's so comfortable. I didn't wipe all my makeup off trying to put it on, which is always a good thing. Leopard print is having her moment even as we move into spring, and I'm all for it because it's all my favorite colors in a pattern. Like, I really can't complain, especially with a tan. Like, so good. So yeah, this top, what's it called? It is the Lure top leopard, wearing her in a size 6. I love it. I feel like this would look so cute with like a pair of pants, a skirt, which is what I have it on now, but I feel like with pants it would be such like a power move type of outfit, and boots or a mini skirt. A mini skirt would be a vibe with this. Let me show you this top with these jeans. See, it just looks so cool, just like that. I feel like this is just such a cool girl outfit that you can wear so many different places at any time. Okay, so this set I didn't choose out specifically, but the girls from Princess Polly just like kind of put it into the package. They were like, enjoy this, and oh my god, I'm so glad they did. This might actually be my favorite thing out of everything. It is so me. It is the Papillon set, I'd like to say. So the top is in a 6 and the bottom is in an 8, which like also slayed because it's just such a whole thing. But when people get my size right, I'm like, thank you, thanks girls. But it's literally like the cutest like little like summer moment. Low-key, you could definitely like festival this. I feel like it could definitely be a vibe. I personally wouldn't, because I feel like I would ruin it, and I wouldn't want to. I feel like this would be so cute with like a pair of like little like kitten heels, a little bag. It's so cute. But I'm obsessed with this. You guys will 100% be seeing this once it's warm outside. I'm obsessed. She is beautiful. I also feel like you guys will see at some point in this video, I feel like the asymmetrical moment is coming back. I love this color. I love this style. It's just, I feel like a fairy. Like, I'm just like, you know. We can't have a Princess Polly haul without a mini dress. This is the, I think it's an Oteil mini dress. I'm wearing her in a size extra small / size 6. I am about 99% sure that this dress also exists in a maxi version, but I'm totally in my like neutral earthy tones era. Like, I'm just loving it right now, and this dress just encompasses like all my favorite colors right now, so that's why I picked it up. It's just giving off massive summer vibes. It's giving off, I've spent all day at the beach and I'm gonna go have dinner with my friends now and have a cocktail. So she's very cute. She is quite short, low-key. This is the size 6. I feel like I could wear the 8 just because this is adjustable, so I feel like you can adjust the straps to how you want it, and it will just work with your body, you know what I mean? But it's so nice. I love that it like cinches you in and then it like flares out a bit at the hips. I think it's so flattering, and yeah, it just fits so nicely. Very summer vibes. Imagine this while tanned. I'm a little bit pale right now, but with a tan I feel like this would be like 10 out of 10. I love it. Okay, next up we have a fit that is giving festival season. I think I'd like to say this is the Isabel set. So basically I put this on without looking at the tag, and then I tried reading the tag backwards and I couldn't read it. I think it's Isabel. It's something like that. Everything will be linked down below for you guys, but this is basically her. She's giving off cool girl. I've got her on with a full kit. This is a skirt, and I have a feeling the skirts are going to be so in this festival season. Like, why wouldn't you want to wear a skirt, to be honest? Like, I'm wearing shorts, no one can see up. but it looks like I'm wearing a skirt, and I think that's just so freaking cute. So I reckon that skirts are going to be the moment. The back, it's very cute. Low-key, I would not size up for this because the waistband has a lot of room. Like, you could wear a really cute pair of undies and like pull them up, like maybe like a red moment could be a vibe, because there's a little bit of room here. Top is very sexy. You could definitely get away with wearing like a cool like bra underneath. Like, I feel like that could be a moment, or just wear it like this. It's very sexy. Definitely sucks you right in. As you can see, I didn't know that my waist could look like this. I would say that if you are going to a festival, I would probably size up in this top, just so it has a little bit of room so you can breathe and not overheat, stuff like that. But it is hot. Like, this is giving sexy cool girl at the festival. I feel like I really like it. What are these shorts called? Angelus lace shorts. Now these I feel like are going to be all over the festival scene. I personally been trying to find some ruffle shorts, and I got some and they didn't really suit me that much. My friends were like, no, just get like normal mini shorts. So that's what I did. I got brown because I love brown. They've still got a little bit of frills, so they're kind of still that feminine vibe that I feel like is really in at the moment, but they're still just sexy. I feel like they go with everything because of the color. So you could definitely re-wear them. It's kind of a vibe. Also, like, realistically, if I was at a festival, I will have a scarf on me at all times because I don't want my hair getting dirtier than it already will. So it'd be like a little bit of a, I need to research how to do it with a square scarf, slash if I can, but it would be like a, you know, over my head. I really stuffed that up, but there's a way to do it, like, so my hair doesn't get dirty. I'd obviously do it properly if I was at a festival. Talented. This will take practice, but they have a lot of like leopard print ones, and I thought leopard print was a vibe because I feel like I'm very much like browns and neutrals type of gal, even at festivals. So I thought this would be perfect because it will go with so many different outfits. Square scarves can be tops, like a scarf top. Vibes. These jeans might look slightly familiar. You would have seen it, I think, in my last Princess Polly haul in blue, but they're like the Ramos, I think they're Ramos jeans. I'm obsessed with these. Every single time I wear the blue ones, I get so many compliments, and low-key, I don't have any black jeans that fit me anymore. So when I saw that there was black on the website, you bet that was the first thing I put in my cart. Hands down. So this is in a size 8. They are quite long. I will need to alter them. I already altered the blue ones. So I'm so excited about these ones. I have paired it up with the Genova cardigan in red. This is just the cutest thing ever. I probably would wear it with a t-shirt under. This is just me just freeing everything, but it is cold in Melbourne. Whilst I did want this to be a very spring summer outfit vibe, realistically spring in Melbourne is like winter for another 2 months. So yeah. This cardigan is low-key so perfect for so many different occasions. I feel like you can wear it. It would actually look so nice with blue jeans, low-key. Better than black jeans. Even though this does look really cool, I feel like you can wear it to uni, you can wear it to lunch, to dinner, to brunch. It's just so many occasions you can wear it to. It's so cute. I'm wearing her in an extra small to small. Okay, next up we have the Legacy midi skirt. Don't know where I decided that midi skirts were like the theme for today's haul, but they are. This is in black. It is a lioness skirt, so if you go on the Princess Polly, search up lioness, it should come up. It is a black, it's kind of like a satiny type material, like it's like shiny. Also it has like a slit. You see that? It's giving salsa dancer. Like, I feel like I could wear this and like, you know, dance. But it is such a vibe. Imagine this with heels. Let's ignore the fit right now. But imagine it with little heels, a red lip, like maybe hair up, and not with this top. I probably wouldn't wear these together. I thought they would go well together, but I'm not really vibing it together. But I'm obsessed with the skirt itself. I need someone to wear it ASAP. Also, I realized while I was editing my last video that I always look this direction. I've got a mirror here, that's why. So I'm like looking at what I'm showing you guys. But yeah, I'm obsessed with my little dancer moment. I love it. Also, I'm wearing it in a size 8. I probably could have worn it in a size 6 because it's kind of loose in the tummy, but it's good if you're going out for dinner. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, got inspired. If you guys did like anything, everything is linked below, and you guys can use Ruby20 to save 20% off. I will see you guys probably next week or the week after with a new video. Bye guys, love you.